Today, we are going to analyze that how we can prepare for the physical chemistry course for competitive exams like IIT JEE, AIMS, Olympiads, etc. in just 1 month. So basically, it's a framework of designing a crash course for this physical chemistry part. So let's see. The first part comes as a compact theory part. Like you should know that physical chemistry usually contributes about 40% of the total paper. So that's why physical chemistry is a very important topic considering the examination part. Now I will recommend two books for a compact theory. Since we have very less time and we cannot read thick books, so we need some of the things, some of the study material which we can revise it in a very short time. The first book I will recommend is R.C. Mukherjee's Modern Approach to Chemical Calculations. Actually, it has all the theory in a very much summarized format. So if you are preparing for examinations like JEE or AIMS, this book is pretty helpful. And the second book I will recommend is Whitaker's Bios Instant Notes in Physical Chemistry. Many times the questions are influenced by foreign authors' books like Atkins, etc. For that, we need something which gives us the input of latest advancements in research area as well. Whitaker's BIOS Instant Notes will help you in that. So please get these two books and start reading. Whitaker's books is also available as an ebook. Do search on the net and start reading. Take a print and start reading. Now come to part 2. Part 2 comprises of videos, animations, lab and kits. So here I will recommend only two things. First thing is the syllabus laboratory book. Either it's CBSE syllabus laboratory book or NIOS laboratory book. And for the videos part, laboratory videos are available by prepared by NCRT, and you should just check the website. I'm also providing the link in the description part of this video, and you can check the NCRT lab videos. It will be very much helpful in understanding the practical aspects of physical chemistry, particularly titration experiments will be very much crucial. Now Now we arrive at part third, the last part, the selected problems. So our first priority com- should be to complete the syllabus. So here we get we I will recommend the first thing as solve all the problems of NCRT textbook and must also solve the problems of exemplar book. Exemplar book is pretty important because it is very much useful in the JEE main examination as well as NEET examination because CBSE very much refers to these things. And the second book I will recommend here is MCQ Chemistry by Bharti Bhawan. Since Bharti Bhawan books are prepared by experienced professors, the Bharti Bhawan books are quite good for preparing for examinations. The third book the third questions that I will recommend is from the book of R.C. Mukherjee. You can find a lots of good quality objective questions in the miscellaneous sections at the end. Do refer to it. The fourth book I will recommend is SOM's chemistry books. SOM's books are very much helpful, particularly for preparing for theoretical questions and Olympiad examinations. SOM's books are recommended by Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education as well. So some of the books for physical chemistry I will suggest is like if you can get in the market, like SOM's physical chemistry book is there, SOM's 2000 problems in physical chemistry book is there, and SOM's 3000 problems in chemistry is there. So do check out these books. These books are very much important. It will clear your concept, but don't waste much time on single problems as the time is limited. So you should be fast, at the same time you should be effective in approaching the questions. Now the most important part, you need to solve at least last 5 to 10 years all the IIT JEE, AIMS and Homi Bhabha Center for Science Education Olympiad problems. These problems very much influence and decide the pattern of the next paper that is going to be set up. by the professors. So the past papers are very critical. And last but not the least, whatever you study or whatever problems you are going to solve, do revise it multiple times. That is very important. Thank you. Hope you will do good in the examination.